Good afternoon. I'm Todd Carlson, Regional Service Manager for Bay & Bay, and I want to show you our new controller for the new TriPac Evolution. This is a little bit different than the 3 dials you're probably used to. So if you get into one of our new tractors and you have this, it may be off when you get in that truck. So the first thing you do is just press this button, which will put it into standby. If you're calling for AC, you just press this button. You got fan mode, cool mode, and off. Off means it's on standby, which will monitor your battery voltage and fire up if your battery voltage falls right around between 12.2 and 12.4. If you're calling for AC, let's say the weather's a little bit warmer, you go to AC. There's not a heat feature on this particular one because the S-Bar heater came with the truck, so it's got its own separate controller. So don't look for heat on this one. Just put it back in off. If it's winter time, keep it on off. Standby, it'll monitor your batteries. You can hear it just fired up now. And then just set your temp on your S-Bar heater and you should be good to go.